On May 20th, 2024, police officers and Child Protective Services arrived at a home in the United States to enforce a temporary custody order. The reason? A 5-year-old child was found to have a controlled substance in their system. But when authorities arrived, the child's mother reacted violently.
How are you?
We need to talk with you real quick. Is Brandon home? Brandon, the cop's here. No idea, hun.
I'm here for them. They can talk to you. Once Brandon gets tired.
So this morning the agency filed for emergency custody of the children. You got me f***ed up due to White testing positive again for THC.
Again?
Dude, Raylan or whatever the tested positive 4 goddamn times before you're not taking my kids. Don't touch them. I'm not playing
I'm telling
with
you right now, you'll go to jail.
Take me.
That's the way you want to do it.
What?
Listen.
Taking the kids?
Well, way to blab.
He's gonna run your social.
Take me to jail. You're not taking my kids. I told you to bring more cops.
We are.
Let's hurry the up then. Jamie! Don't walk in my house, bro. I'm not playing with you.
You want to do this the easy way or hard way?
Well, let's be hard.
Give me a second. I'm not famous. Give me
Where
a second.
the f*** are you taking my kids?
Please.
You're gonna come back to the office right.
According to child welfare records, the child had tested positive for THC on 4 separate occasions in the past. As a result, the court issued an emergency order granting temporary custody and directing authorities to remove the child from the home.
You ain't touching my shit. Dude, I'm gonna flip the f*** out. Who the f*** are you?
That's a detective.
Jason him. Diamond! Get in the house. They're taking the kids because Wyatt tested positive. Because she's on some bullshit. Aurora! Hey, I need you to get to my house really quick. They're coming to take my kids. I don't know. A cop here, some detective dude, some dude in a f***ing hat.
So what's the kid's name?
Hurry up.
Oliver? Where's Oliver at?
Don't worry about Oliver.
That's the only one we need.
What do you mean the only one you need?
We already have the other two.
Bro, dude, I'm a trip the f*** out.
Need him so we can leave.
You got me so f***ed up.
Calm down. Don't come in here. Don't come in.
I'm not shutting the door. Put your dog up.
My mom's on her way. You're not taking
Why'd you put your dog in a different room?
I'm trying.
I want to know why you think you're taking my kids when you literally just said Rylan and Raylan or whoever the f*** supposedly tested positive 4 goddamn times.
Okay, we're not talking about them. We're here for you guys.
Did you take her kids too?
So due to there still being substance use in the home.
There's not been any
There's nothing
substance.
in my home.
I have tested negative
Search
every
my
goddamn
house.
time.
There ain't been nothing in my house.
He's not even been tested.
Wyatt had a negative screen or a positive screen, 2 negatives, and another positive, which means that there is new use at some point.
I don't smoke the shit. Test me. You tested me every goddamn time. So why are you taking my kids from me?
Because you are in a home with 2 people that do smoke, for 1. And for 2, your children are testing positive.
You're not taking my
No,
kids.
I think it's funny.
Where's my
I think it's
son
funny
and
that
son?
y'all want to come up with some positive tests, and then you guys think I quit smoking. Then you guys want to pop out with some negative tests, and then I deny a test, and then there's positive tests again.
There's not been anything in
We're
my
not going to sit
fucking
here and
house.
argue
I don't
this
get
out.
this.
We are going to take him. We are going to.
If you are, you better put me in cuffs.
We can arrange that for both of you.
I told you that.
That's no problem.
You're not taking
There's a
my kids.
court order
Where's my
we're taking.
daughter and my son?
We already have them at this point.
They need to go to my mom.
We will look at whoever you are wanting to look at for kinship, but at this point they are.
You mean kinship?
That is any family, friend,
Dude, I'm gonna
anybody
trip out. Who are you?
Don't worry about who that is.
Everybody standing on my porch.
You need to either give him to one of us, one of the officers, and he needs to leave.
No, my mom. You can wait till my mom
No,
gets
we're
here.
not going to wait. He does not need to be subjected to all this yelling and this
Jamie?
screaming.
I love you.
So is he going to go to one of us, or is he going to go
He's
to one
gonna
of
go to
them?
my mom when
No,
she gets here.
No, he's not.
If he's
We have
not.
custody of him right now.
Bullshit you do. Did he come out your fucking vagina? No. I told you I was gonna trip the fuck out.
Are you refusing
Why
to
don't you
give
take him?
him?
Yes, I'm refusing to give you the kid.
You're under arrest.
Don't touch my kid, dude. I'm not
Listen,
fighting with you.
The mother, clutching her child tightly, screamed, "Don't touch my kid!" as she struggled with officers while the father, unable to keep his composure, broke down in tears.
Dude, don't touch my
listen,
kid.
this is either going
Like,
one
I'm
or
not
two
playing
ways.
with
Listen,
you.
I do
Don't
not
touch
want
my
to
kid.
do this while your kid is in your arms. Act like a mother.
I am. Don't
You're
touch
not.
my kid.
You see the way you're acting?
Just so you know, here it is.
You look at you.
So tomorrow.
You're not taking my kid. I didn't do anything wrong. I don't
promise
even smoke
you,
this
I am. And it's up to you if you want to go to jail or not in the process
I
of
don't even
it.
smoke this. Why are you taking them from me? I have tested negative every time. I don't smoke.
That's not my goal.
21, where you at?
I don't want to arrest you, but you're going to go down. That's going to happen.
Dude, I don't know why you're taking my kids from me. I didn't do anything. I don't even f***ing smoke.
That's not my call. This is their call. They got emergency.
Alicia,
They got temporary
why
custody.
are you taking my kids from me?
They
I
got
didn't
temporary
do
custody
anything.
from the judge.
Good for her. Dude, I've tested negative every f***ing time I work.
I understand that it's still happening in your home. In your child, he says positive now twice. That's negative.
Raylan, or whatever her name is, has tested positive 8 times, and you didn't come remove her kids. So what the
What is your name? What is your name?
Bob?
47.
Your name's Bob?
Yeah.
Sierra?
How do you know my name?
I know who you are. I've dealt with you before.
Sierra,
Dude, please.
you're going to give us the kid no matter what. It's up to you if you want to go to jail or not.
8604.
You're not taking my kid.
I'm telling you we are.
I'm telling you, you're not. I didn't do anything wrong. You're not taking my kid.
You need to realize who's in charge right now. And it's not you.
I don't give a f- who the hell thinks they're in charge. You're not taking my kid. I didn't do anything wrong.
You are right now by failing to abide by a court order. The court order is signed by a judge.
Good for the judge, dude. I didn't do anything. You're not taking my. They're trying to take my kids. Sophia, get in the house.
This doesn't involve you. Keep going.
Where's your brother? Where's Brayden? Brayden, he's at work. She's not taking my f***ing kids. Your mom's here. Your mom. She better no. Don't come near me. Mom! I'm gonna get arrested. Stop. I'm here, guys. It's all right. They're coming with me.
They're not.
They are. Give me him.
They're not.
I am the grandmother.
I don't care.
See, Mom. No. Why?
I do not care.
Okay, why?
JFS has an
Why can't
order.
my mom-
JFS has an order from the judge to take temporary custody of these kids. We already have 2 of the kids.
Where are they at?
They're with JFS. They have emergency temporary custody.
My baby.
Why? Stop. Stop. Why?
Can they go with my mom?
Hey, he tries to grab her again.
Her escalating resistance left officers with no choice but to place her under arrest.
Dude,
You're done.
easy on her.
She wants to fight like this.
Don't want to tear kids taken. Why can't you dumb mother?
Get that dog back, I'm telling you. You better get back too. You understand? Get back. Hey, back up, buddy.
I told you, it was easy way or hard way.
Sierra's resisting. I just want to. And you're resisting. I know.
Hey, it's up to you if you want to go to jail next.
I was already going in way. Touch my keys. Go ahead. Glad out. I did. Dude, you're not taking my. Get the off me. You don't even got shoes. Can I at least put shoes on?
Nope.
My dog's gonna get hurt. Get off.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
My dog.
They're going to get him.
Can you get the hair out of my mouth?
Have a seat.
I need you to call Alta Care and let them know I'm probably not going to be at work tomorrow.
How do I get in your phone?
Just, I think I got my phone. I'm in charge.
It's on the grass.
Okay, is it in your phone?
Yeah. Can I please tell them about his rash? I'm calling.
I'll let you talk to him.
You got anything on you? Step out here real quick.
Got my vape. And then charger I was cleaning.
Nothing else? Jerome.
Yeah, I know you.
Have a seat. Have a seat. I'll let you talk to JFS here in a minute about the rash. Have a seat.
Can I get Jamie? Jamie! Mom!
Have a seat. We'll deal with this in a minute. Have a seat.
Dude.
Have a seat. Sit back. Turn. Put your feet in there. Yes, you can. Put your feet in there.
I'm going down right here. I'm going down right now. I'm going to go down and do whatever I have to do. And they're going to be with me. They're going to be with me. Okay?
Can you?
Don't!
Listen, I'm gonna roll up the window if you stop. I'm gonna roll up the window if you don't stop.
Stop.
Okay?
And I'm going to get them. Okay?
They're gonna be so scared.
They're okay. I will go get them as soon as I'm allowed. Okay? I'm going down right now to go do whatever they want me to do. Piss in a cup. Whatever. All right?
This is bullshit.
I'm going. Look at me.
I don't even smoke.
I know. I love you. I will be down there to do what I got to do, okay? What is going on with her? Where is she going?
Probably to
For
jail.
how long?
She has a bond. She have a bond.
Okay, I know. Okay.
No, I
you know
won't.
how
I have
much?
3 warrants.
I don't know how much the. Huh?
I have warrants for failure to appear for dog tags.
For us?
I was going to, I was
Well, I'll have to look at those, but who do
Okay.
you want your keys to go to?
Me. Do you have? You've got my number. You get a call. Call
Can
me
I
when
get
you.
my shoes at least, please?
You can have one of them go get your shoes.
Where are they at?
I don't even know.
I will
They're
find you.
somewhere.
I'll find you up there. Please don't forget.
She wants to talk to you about a rash that the kids has or something like that. So.
The mother was placed in the back of the patrol car, still insisting that she had never used any illegal substances. When asked about the charges, officers told her she was being arrested for resisting arrest and obstructing official business. She also admitted to having an outstanding warrant for failure to appear for dog tags, a minor administrative offense. As the situation calmed, officers reassured her, "Your kids are safe. JFS has temporary custody."
This is bullshit. Beat Ricky's ass. Yep.
Don't say that.
I don't give a f. I'm already in trouble. Fuck it. Dude, I didn't even do anything.
No, we didn't.
They're taking my kids on bullshit.
You want to talk to him about the rash?
Yeah, I want
did.
the
Talk to her real quick.
lady.
I did.
She's right here.
I did tell her about the rash.
She's not even my social worker anymore.
It's okay. I can tell her if you need to tell me something.
Okay, what do I give Oliver?
Here, hang on. Hang on.
Where are my kids going?
They will be going
Oh, I'm
into
sorry. I
a
think I got
foster
it.
home, and then we will be able to
I will-
look into kinship.
I will get them. What do I get for Oliver?
Look into kinship. It is a
Let me see your shoes.
a home study
Ma'am.
has to be done,
Ma'am, let's see your
which
shoes.
means that they have to have background checks. Our SACWA system has to be checked. Sex offender registry, a whole list of things have to be gone through and checked to make sure that they're.
So how long are my kids going to be in the stranger's house?
The faster I get down there and go do this, they're going to be with me as soon as they get done with whatever they got to do.
Okay, so it's not going to be something that just happens right now. This is a process. There's a bunch of paperwork that's involved.
But I'm going to file emergency custody today, Oliver. Today.
It's $150
And I'll go get it.
Okay, thank you.
Come on, Sophia. But I'm going to file emergency custody as of today. I'm going to the courthouse.
If that's your choice.
That's my choice.
I want my baby.
Okay.
This is stupid. I didn't do anything. You know I passed every test.
Do you have any questions for me at this point?
Can I kiss my son goodbye?
He is already trapped in the car.
Who's with him?
He is right here.
Oh, so you can leave him
He
in
is
the car
right
by
here.
himself.
But he might.
You wanted to talk to me.
Not you, her.
Okay, do you have any more questions?
trying.
Do you have any more questions?
No, go deal with my son since you're taking him.
What do you think? Is this obstruction?
I don't know until the judge says she can get out. Somebody pays her bond.
What do you think? Obstruction or what?
I do obstruction and resistance.
Giving all the information and the judge will make a decision.
There's got
got to be something that I'm going to go up.
Well, I told you, you need to come to the agency.
That I'm going to, but I'm also going to the courthouse to file an emergency custody. So I will be there at the courthouse tomorrow at 11 as well. I will be there, okay?
Dude, I'm going to flip the out. They're out of their car. They're getting ready. They can go.
Dude, they're not taking.
No, I'm going to trip the out. Lord Jesus, better pray.
No, listen, this ain't going to help. Please, no.
All right, man, we're going to head out.
Been at the jail, all right? I can call in and see if there's any bond or anything like that. I will call later. I love you.
Do you want your phone for number so you can bond out?
That would be awesome.
Can you get her phone?
Yes, where's her phone at?
Hand it to him, not her.
Okay, I will call you, okay? I love you. Keep your shit together. Take care of the dogs and stuff in here.
Well, yeah. I mean, it's what we're trained to do. Well, you're going to surprise me. Listen, I do get it. I do. Hang on. In Route 25, one female 21. I do get it that, yes, your kids are your everything. We're taking your kids. I get that. Sierra, what's your last name? Sierra Fayok. Sierra Fayok. But I told you that. Well, that's not my choice. I'm not taking the kids.
Every drug test they've given me. That's not that big too.
I told you either we were going to take the kid no matter what. It was up to you whether you went to jail or not. I didn't. I wasn't going to let you grab the kid back. I would have took you to jail way before that, but I don't want to fight with you with the kid and get the kid hurt. That's why I didn't want you to get the kid back. What'd she say?
Wants to know if she can use her phone to call off work.
That would be up to the COs. But I'm sure they will let you, as long as you're being cooperative and you don't end up in the pad.
What the hell's the pad?
The pad is a big padded room with a hole in the middle of it that you shouldn't piss in.
Oh, I didn't want to go in there.
I didn't think so you better cooperate.
Like I said, y'all was taking my kids, dude. I ain't did nothing. These are not like the boys.
No?
No. That's scary. Man, you can take all my piercings out.
Probably.
Could you not?
I'm not taking them out. It's up to them. It's up to them.
Oh, it feels good in here.
The mother in this case is likely to face two main charges: resisting arrest and obstructing official business. She repeatedly refused to hand over her child, shouted at officers, and physically resisted as police and child services tried to enforce a court order. In some jurisdictions, if prosecutors can prove that the child was exposed to or endangered by controlled substances in the home, she could also face an additional charge of child endangerment. This case serves as a serious reminder of how quickly an emotional situation can escalate into criminal charges. In cases involving children and court-ordered custody, cooperation and calm communication are critical. Reacting with anger or physical resistance only worsens the legal outcome and can extend the time a parent is separated from their child. Law enforcement officers and child protection agencies act under court authority, and any opposition to that process is seen as obstruction. The lesson here is clear. Staying composed, following legal procedures, and addressing disputes through the court system are the only ways to protect both parental rights and a child's well-being.